Good day students. I hope all of you are safe in your home in this COVID situation. Okay students, today we are going to discuss an enrichment activity about plastics. Now let us see what is our enrichment activity. See here, make a chart for overuse of plastics and discuss the ill effects of using polythene bags and how it can be minimized. Okay, now we will see the topics in our enrichment activity. First one, what are plastics? Second one, uses of plastics. Third one, plastics and the environment. Fourth one, overuses of plastics. And last one, principle of 3 R's. That means reduce, reuse and recycle. First, what is plastic, student? Do you have any idea about it? Okay children, plastic is a synthetic material derived from petroleum product. I will say once again, what is meant by plastic means plastic is a synthetic material derived from petroleum products. In first class we have discussed difference between the normal fiber, that means the natural fiber, and synthetic fiber. Okay, are you understand? Synthetic fiber means which is nothing but we get from synthetic fiber petroleum products. Okay, are you understand? Okay, see here, do you know what is mean by petroleum product? Any idea about that? I will say petroleum products are derived from crude oil. Some examples of petroleum products are kerosene, heating oil and diesel fuel, etc. This is the examples of petroleum products. Are you understand students? Plastic is word that means easily shaped. What is mean by plastic? Which is nothing but easily shaped. Plastic can be molded to produce different objects by heating. Are you understand students? Okay, now plastics are polymers made by very long chain of chemical units. Okay, all the objects are made some units, so then plastics are polymers made of very long chain of chemical units. Are you understand students? Next, polymer means it is a substance or material. What is meant by polymer? Which is nothing but polymer means it is a substance or material consisting of very large molecules made from many smaller and simpler molecules. Are you understand this? That type only to make a polymer, that make a plastics. Are you understand? Okay, what is meant by polymer? Polymer means it is a substance or material consisting of very large molecules made from many smaller and simpler molecules. Are you understand? Look at this picture students. A single chemical unit is called the monomers. In up direction single chemical unit is present, that is the monomer. Then many monomers are converted into polymer, that is the long chain type, that is called the polymer. Then next one is the plastics are categorized into two types. That means plastics are classified into two categories. What is the first one is the thermoplastic, second one is the thermosetting plastic. Are you understand students? What are two types of plastic? One is the thermoplastic and the another one is the thermosetting plastics. Now we are going to discuss about first one is the thermoplastics. Thermoplastics can be melted repeatedly, but thermosetting plastics once shaped cannot be melted. Are you understand students? Next, the difference between thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Now, what is mean by thermoplastics means they change their shape upon heating and cooling. Thermoplastics நம்ம cool பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா heat பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா change the shape. But once thermosetting plastics once formed do not undergo shape conversion upon heating and cooling. The second point, thermoplastics are expensive. Expensive means high rate, but thermosetting plastics are cheap rate. Then third point, thermoplastics recyclable. Recyclable means that means another one time we can use, okay, but thermosetting plastics not recyclable. Once formed, that one another one time not form, does not form. That is the thermosetting plastics, character of thermosetting plastics. Next, last point, the best examples of that means the what is the examples of thermoplastics means the best example is polythene, which changes its shape upon heating and cooling. Are you understand, students? Next, thermosetting plastics. The best examples of thermosetting plastics the backlight is the backlight, which once formed does not change its shape upon further heating. Backlight means do you know about the backlight? In our house we can use the switch box. Are you understand, students? Backlight being poor conductor of electricity is used for making electrical switches. Are you understand, students? We move on to next topic, uses of plastic. Okay, students, where and all we use plastics? Any idea about that? Now we are going to discuss about that only. We will discuss about it, plastics. Plastics have a wide variety of uses in our everyday life. Do you know very well? We are all using Tupperware and many plastics are we have used in our daily life. Are you understand, students? Then it is a maintenance easily. Plastics are maintenance easily, and their ability to be molded into different shapes. Then they are also more economical than natural materials. That is the very cheapest one. That some plastics are expensive, some plastics are cheapest. So we are using many plastics materials. Students, where and all we use the plastics? Any idea about that? Okay, I will say first one is the household and second one is the first one is the household. Now we are going to discuss about household. Okay, see here, special plastic is used in the making of plastic cookware so that the heat cooks the food but does not affect the plastic vessel. Are you understand, students? That is the plastic cookware is a we can use daily. That is the not affect, that does not affect the plastic vessel. Okay, are you understand, students? Then Teflon coating is another one plastic which is used in non-stick cookware, and in our all homes are present in non-stick cookware on which oil and water do not stick. That is the two kinds of plastic is there. What is the first one is the cookware plastic and another one is the Teflon coating, that is the non-stick pan. Okay, are you understand, students? Then next uses is the healthcare. Where and all we use the healthcare? The packaging in medical line, the packaging material of tablet, syringes, thread used for stitching and doctor's gloves, etc. are all made of plastics. Okay, are you understand, students? What in healthcare? The packaging material of tablets, syringes and threads used for stitching and doctor's gloves, etc. are all made of plastics. Are you okay, students? Next one is the transportation. What is mean by transportation? Which is nothing but the interior parts of a car, like the dashboard and some parts of cars, and helicopters and aeroplanes are made of plastic. That is called the uses of plastics in transportation. Are you understand, students? Till now we have discussed about what is plastics. Second one is types of plastics. Third one is uses of plastics. Also we have discussed. Now come to the point. We will move on plastics and the environment or overuse of plastics. Plastics affects the environment in following ways. Plastic and the environment. Plastic is non-biodegradable. That is, what is mean by non-biodegradable? It does not decompose by natural process. That is a very important. What is mean by non-biodegradable? Does not decompose by natural process and so is not environmental friendly. Okay students, it takes several years of for plastic to get decomposed. How many years? Several years for plastic to get decomposed. So accumulation of plastic is hazardous to the environment and causes environmental pollution. So plastic is non-biodegradable. Are you understand? So, do you know one thing? What is mean by biodegradable? What is mean by non-biodegradable? Any idea about that? See the picture. What is mean by biodegradable means a material that decomposes through natural process like action of bacteria. Example, materials made of natural fibers. Are you understand, students? Then what is mean by biodegradable? A material that decomposes through natural process like action of bacteria. Example, materials made of natural fibers. That means biodegradable என்னது சீக்கிரமா மக்கி போயிடும். That is the biodegradable. Are you understand? Okay, next. What is mean by non-biodegradable means a material that does not decompose through natural process. Example, most objects made of synthetic fibers and plastics, that is called the non-biodegradable. Already we have discussed natural fiber, synthetic fiber. Natural fiber we obtained from natural resources, but synthetic fiber we get from chemical, that is man-made sources, so does not decomposes. Examples of peels of vegetables and fruits, leftover food stuff degenerate, take 1 to 2 weeks. That is a degenerate easily. That is a biodegradable. And another one, the example is the non-biodegradable tin, aluminium and other metal cans and plastic bags also degenerate the time taken 100 to 500 years. That is that materials called the non-biodegradable materials. Next one, this picture represent about water pollution. What is mean by water pollution? Which is nothing but waste plastic materials like polythene bags thrown carelessly get into water drainage. Clog the drainage. நம்ம பேப்பரை உள்ளே போட்ட என்ன ஆகும்? Clog the drainage. என்ன திருப்பி என்ன ஆகும்? Result in dirty drainage water overflowing onto the road and into other water sources, causing unhygienic conditions. So many waste dumping occurs water pollution. Kindly do not throw any garbage or waste into water areas. Poisonous. Next one is the poisonous gases. What is mean by poisonous gases? When plastic waste materials are burnt, they produce poisonous gases which pollute the air. Already we have seen many plastic waste materials are burnt in open air. What happened? It produced the poisonous air, poisonous gas which pollute the air. We do not breathe easily, so affect the lungs also. So do not burn any plastics in our environment. Okay. Next, overuse of plastics in hazardous for animals, a very important thing. Sometimes polythene bags or plastic wrappers containing food items are thrown around carelessly. Some people are thrown around carelessly. When stray animals like cows, dogs, etc. eat the leftover food from it, what happened? They swallow the plastic which can choke. Choke means தொண்டையில மாட்டிக்கிறது. Them and cause death. Finally, the animals is going to death. And another one example is hundreds and thousands of whales, dolphins, sea turtles and other marine mammals. What is that? Whales, dolphins, sea turtles? This is the marine mammals. It is die every year. What is the reason why they are going to die? Of every year after consuming discarded polythene bags. We throw the polythene bags in river area and sea area. What happened? The animals, the mammals, marine mammals is going to die. So we should not throw polythene bags in water areas. A very important thing. Now we are going to discuss about principle of 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Okay students, plastic materials are useful to us, but as we can see, they are harmful to the environment, especially if they are not disposed of safely. So here, please, what is mean by reduce? Reduce to make something become smaller, responsible citizen and take smaller steps to save the environment by following the principle of reducing waste. What is the 3 R's? You reduce, reuse, and recycle. Products that are not wasteful in their packaging or use. Third one, a key part of waste reduction is conservation, using natural resources wisely and using less than unusual in order to avoid waste. Simply we can say what is mean by reduce means we can reduce the use of plastics by using other materials in their place. For example, using cloth, jute or paper bags for shopping. It's a very important thing. This is called the reduce. Next one, reuse. Reuse, to use again or more than once. Reuse materials and items so that they have longer life spans and don't get thrown away after the first use. That is the reuse. Next one, many items found around the home can be used for different purposes. And so before you throw those items away, think about how they can be reused. Simply we can say what is mean by reuse means we should reuse the plastic containers that come with jams, pickles, packed food, etc. for storing salt, spices, sugar, etc. We can also reuse plastic carry bags for shopping purpose instead of throwing them as waste. So this method we can use the reuse plastics. Next one is recycle. Recycle to convert materials or waste into reusable material. Are you understand, students? Recycle means to convert materials or waste into reusable materials. Are you understand? Next one, landfills are full of items that could be recycled. Then recycling puts objects through a process that allows them to be used again. Then we can say recycle means all plastic waste should be disposed of in the recycle bins so that it can be collected and sent for recycling to plastic making factories. In the factory, plastic waste is melted and remolded into new plastic objects. Most materials made of thermoplastics can be recycled, whereas materials made of thermosetting plastics cannot be recycled. Already we have discussed thermoplastics, difference between thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Thermoplastics easily can be recycled. Thermosetting plastics cannot be recycled. So, medical plastic waste should be disposed of separately to ensure there is no contamination and spreading of disease and infection. So, what is that? Medical plastic waste. That is very, very important. Medical plastic waste should be disposed of separately to ensure there is no contamination and separate spreading of disease and infection. We know very well. Am I correct, students? Okay, students, we have come to end of our class. This is small recap time. Reduce, save electricity, save water, do not waste food. These methods are reduce our plastics. Then reuse. How to reuse the plastics? First one is the use bottle again, use paper again, reuse the objects properly in useful way. That is, then recycle. How to recycle the plastics? Making new product from waste materials. For example, making craft and dice. Do yourself. Okay, students, another one, 9 tips for living with less plastics without plastics. What is the first tip? One, bring your own shopping bag. At the time, we avoid the plastic bags. Second tip, what is the first tip? Bring your own shopping bag. What is the second tip? Carry a reusable water bottle. You know very well, a juice bottle and we use the water bottle example. And third thing, bring your own cup. And fourth thing, pack your lunch in reusable container. and many plastic box is there, no? We use the reusable lunch bag. Pack your lunch in reusable container. And another one, fifth one, say no to disposable straw and bottles. And sixth one, skip the plastic producing bags. And the seventh thing, slow down and dine in. And eighth one, store leftover in glass jars. And ninth one, share this tip with your friends. This is the very important 9 tips for avoid plastics or with less plastic. It is the very use of our environment. From this class, we learn to say no to plastic bags. Kindly use only disposable bags like cotton bags, jute bags, etc. Simply we can say we should use only biodegradable things. So very important for our life. Here is your small activity to make poster on 3R principle. Willing students can complete this activity. This is one of the experience for your about this plastic enrichment activity. I have attached few samples in this video. No need to take notes about this topic in your classwork. Thank you, children.